Yes, children, there was a connectivity. Yes, who saw this?
Array, 1 second, guys. This is 1 second. Yeah. The point of the straight line 3x plus 5y plus, 5y is equal to 15, which is equidistant from the coordinate axis, will lie only on what? See, a point which is equidistant from the both axes lies on what? Either y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. Alright, it will lie on both. So point on where now? The point on the straight line. Okay, 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So what is the required point for this? So this can be written as what? X plus y is equal to 0. This is one equation, this is one equation. If I solve these two equations, what I'm going to get, beta? Look at this. Let us write this equation here. 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Okay. So x plus y, this can be written as what? X plus y is equal to 0. So let me multiply with 3x plus 3y is equal to 0. Minus minus minus. So 2y is equal to 15. Y value is 15 by 2. Correct? So what is x value then? Then x value is going to be what? Minus 15 by 2. Alright, y value is 15 by 2. X value is minus 15 by 2. This is what we got. Cool? Yes. So basically, x coordinate, this is positive, this is negative, right? So this is positive, this is negative. So positive, negative, positive. Which quadrant? Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, which will be in the second quadrant, right? Second quadrant. So my option is would be what? Second coordinate would be the option. Option A deleted, B also deleted. So my option should be either 3 or 4 should be the answer. Okay. So if I solve this, so I got this. I got this. Now if I solve this, look at it better. What is this? X minus y is equal to 0. So this is one line and there is another line. Look at it here. 3x plus 5y is equal to 15 given, and x minus y is equal to 0 given. So just multiplying with 3. So add and subtract. So what you're going to get now? 8y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 by 8. Then x value is what? X value is also 15 by 8. Both positive comma positive. Right? X comma y is what? Positive, positive. Positive, positive is first quadrant. Okay. So if I solve this better, this line and this line, sorry, if I solve this line, I got positive, positive. Look at this. Both coordinates are positive. X also positive, y also positive. So which means first quadrant. Okay. So if I solve this line and this line, I got positive, negative, positive, which is second quadrant. So 1, 2 quadrants is for sure. Now we have to check whether fourth quadrant or not. I got only 1 and 2 coordinates, but there is no possibility of having the fourth quadrant. Only first and second quadrant is the right answer. Sir, how did you get an idea that you have to take y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x? A point on the straight line, straight line 3x plus 5y is equal to 15, which is an equidistance from the coordinate axis. See beta, a point which is an equidistance from the coordinate axis, which is nothing but you have to take y is equal to x, y is equal to minus x. If I take y is equal to x here, y is equal to minus x, which is an equidistance from the coordinate axis or not? Understood? By any point you take on the coordinate axis, which would be, if he is talking about equidistance, then this is what the positive x, this is the negative x. So these are the two equations I can take. So x minus y is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 0. So with the help of these two equations and this equation, I'll be getting two coordinates, two ordered pairs. So from that, I can decide which quadrants I know my axis is lying in actually. Okay, second and first and second quadrant. Now, so what is the option? What is the second question? Look at it here. Let 0 comma 0 0 comma 1 be two fixed points, then the locus of the point P such that the perimeter of triangle AOP is 4. Such that the locus of the point P such that the perimeter of triangle AOP is 4. This is also very good question, beta. So I do not know this type of question. What we do is let us take the point P called H comma K. Okay. First, let us draw the diagram. So this is my x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. Let's say there is a point called, this is in fact 0 comma 0 here. I'm giving this as origin, and there is a point called 0 comma a. I mean 0 comma 1. This is point a. Let's say that any point on the plane H comma K. Let me take. So let us join this. Okay, I joined like this. So be two fixed points. This one and this one, two fixed points. Okay. Then the locus of the point P such that perimeter of triangle AOP is 4. Guys, here do you agree with my point? OP plus OA. OP plus OP plus AP. Sorry. OP plus AP is equal to what? 3. And OA is what? What is OA now? Distance between origin and OA is what? 1. Square root of 1. 1. So OP plus AP is what now? Beta, this OA is 1 beta. And this plus this how much? 3. How 3? Tell me. Look at this. I'll tell you. OP plus AP3, right? OP is nothing but H square plus K square plus AP. AP is what? H square plus K minus 1 whole square is equal to 3. So squaring on both sides, H square plus K square plus H square plus A square plus B square minus 2K or else A square plus B square plus 2 times of AB. AB is what? This is what I write. Guys, look at this here. This AB is nothing but this root into root. Square root into square root will be, look at this, you will be getting like this. All right. Now solve this whether what you are getting. Let's see. H square plus K square plus H square plus K square minus plus 1 minus 2K plus 2H square 2K square and here H square plus K square plus 1 minus 2K is equal to 9. Or else instead of doing all this beta, I'll just simply tell you one point here. I'll tell you one thing. See here, this is what you got. Okay. So yes, squaring H square plus K minus 1 whole square. 3 square is 9. Okay. Plus H square plus K square minus 6 times of H square plus K square. Correct. So just solve this. 6 times of H square plus K square is equal to this H square, this H square will be getting cancelled. So 9 minus A square minus plus B square minus 2K means plus 2K here. Okay guys. So this is what I got. So now 6 times of H square plus K square is equal to 9 minus 1 which is 8 minus K square plus 2K. Okay, this is what I got. He is asking what? Then we need to find out the locus of a point P. Locus of a point P we need to find out. Yeah. Simplify this. Actually, 1 second. H square plus k minus 1 whole square. Okay. 9 square. Okay.
Sir, k square will also be get cancelled now, sir, when we open
Yeah.
k minus 1 whole square.
Yeah. That is what you can do. Minus 6 times of h square plus k square. Correct. This will also be getting cancelled. So what you left with now? 6 times of h square plus k square beta. 8 minus 2k. Am I correct? Now again squaring on both sides. So 36 h square plus 36 k square a square plus b square minus 2ab 2 16 32k 36 h square 32k square minus 32k. This is what I get. So what can we take common? Can I take 2 common? If I take 2 common, 18h square 16k square 16k minus 32 is equal to 0. I think one, actually 4 we can take common, right? 4. Why we are taking 2 common? Directly 4 is a multiple of all the numbers. So 4 is nothing but 9h square plus 8k square minus 8k minus 4 16. So what 9h square plus 8k square something 9h square. Acha. Guys, point he has given in terms of x comma y, but we took in terms of h comma k. So what we got now? Can I write this as simply 9x square 8k 8y square minus 8y minus 16 is equal to 0. 9x square plus 8y square. 9x square plus 8y square. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. This is how you solve it. Very simple. Next question. 26th question. Everyone make this question. Hi Niyati, how are you? After a long time. Niyati, hi. Niyati, can you hear me?
Sir, option 3.
Option 3. How many of you got option 3? Very good, beta. Very good. Option 3. No. Somewhere you made a mistake. Almost correct, but somewhere you made a mistake. Check.
Sir, 1/3, sir. K by H is 1/3.
Very good, beta. Very good. 1/3 is the right one. See, guys, points given to you are collinear, right? It the point h comma k 1 comma 2 and lie on the line L1, and L2 passes through the point called h comma k and 4 comma 3 perpendicular on line 1. Then k by h is what? So the given points are collinear. They are lying on the same. Lie on the line L1. Look at this here, and the line 2 passes through h comma k. Look at this here. H comma k 1 comma 2 minus 3 comma 4. All these are collinear. Since they are collinear, can I just find a determinant h k1 1 2 1 minus 3 4 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so what you can just do here, h2 minus 4 minus k 1 minus 2 minus plus 3 plus 1 into 4 plus 6 is equal to 0 minus 2h minus 2h 4k plus 10 is equal to 0. So taking h common, plus 2k is equal to 5. Correct? Understood my point? Both side minus will be getting cancelled. I took 2 common and cancelled on both sides. This is what I got. Okay. What is the slope of this line 1 now? What is the slope? Charan or Pawan? Who has solved this? Slope of the line 1 is what? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, Babu. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is nothing but minus 1/2 you will be getting. Correct? So both are perpendicular, Babu. If slope of line 1 is minus 1/2, slope of line 2 is what now? Slope of line 1 I got, which means m1 is equal to, therefore m1 minus 1/2 I got. m2, both lines are perpendicular to each other, so what will be? Product of their slopes will be equal to minus 1, so minus 2 or not? 2 or not? 2. Why, sir? When two lines are perpendicular to each other, product of this slopes will be equal to minus 1. So what number if I take in terms of slope 2? So my product would be minus 1. What would be my slope 2, beta? 2 or not? Yes. So that is how slope 2 will be 2. Why? Because he has given L1 is perpendicular to L2. We know the perpendicularity condition, right? So very simple. Look at this, but actually slope of the line 2 is what? Slope of the line 2. Slope of the line 2 will, let's write here. Slope of the line 2 is equal to what? Point line 2. So h k minus 3, directly look at it, k minus 3 divided by h minus 4, which is equal to 2. Slope is equal to 2 or not? I equated the 2. So what you're going to get now? K minus 3 is equal to 2h minus 8. So 2h minus k is equal to 5. Now this is first equation, this is second equation. Can't you find out the value of h and k now? Solve this. If I just multiply the 2h plus 4k is equal to 10. So this is the first equation. Okay. So now solve this to 2h minus k is equal to 5. Solve this to, this is second line, right? I got this line from this minus plus minus. So 5k is equal to 5. K value is 1. If k value is 1, what is h value? 3. Correct. So he is asking k by h. Therefore, k by h is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer, Babu, not 3. Check. 1 by 3 is the right answer. This is how you solve it, beta. Okay. Isn't it? Next question. Solve this question, everyone. Quick, 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 quick. Make it fast. Guys, quick, what happened? So the two lines, this and this, are perpendicular, then the distance of their point of intersection from the origin. Very simple question, Babu. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, their product of their slopes is equal to -1. We know that. So m1 is m2, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Right? What is the slope of the line? Minus a by b. Minus a by b. B is what? A minus 1 into minus b. So minus a by b. B is what? A square is equal to -1. Okay. Now look at this here. So 2 by a cube minus a square is equal to -1. So 2 is equal to minus a cube plus a square. Okay. So a cube minus a square plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the cubic equation I got. Basically, how to solve a cubic equation? How to solve a cubic equation? So by using synthetic method, there is a method called synthetic method. I'm sure you might have learned in 9th standard. Synthetic method. Synthetic division method, basically synthetic division method. So first of all, let us substitute a value 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? A value 1 is not satisfying. So a is not the fact. A is equal to 1 is a not factor. A is equal to -1. So minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to -1 is a factor. So, but that is a cubic equation, right? I'll be getting 3 equations totally. So what is the remaining 2 roots? I got one root as a is equal to -1. What is the remaining 2 roots? For doing that, what I do is I'll follow the synthetic method. For following the synthetic method, what I do, I'll write the coefficients of all this: 1, -1, 0, and 2. All right, why 0? Why? Because x coefficient we don't have anything, right? We have cubic coefficient, square coefficient, but x coefficient we don't have. So constant as it is I wrote. So first of all, I'll write the whatever the root I got here. A value -1 I got. So I'll carry this as it is here. 1. 1 into 1 is how much? -1. Again, adding these two, -1 into -1, -1 into -1 plus -1, -2. Multiplying these two again. Minus into minus plus. So 1 into 2, 2. Adding these two again. 2. -1 into 2, how much? -2. Adding these two, 0. So what is the quadratic equation you got now? I got a quadratic equation with this coefficient: 1 into x square minus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? So in fact, he has given in terms of a. So let us write in terms of a only. A square, a. So what are you going to get now? So 2, right? So yes, this is the one factor I got. Okay. So now this cubic equation can be written as, what? A is equal to -1 I got. So a plus 1 into a square plus 2a plus 2 is equal to 0. A square plus 2a plus 2. Correct or not? Yes. So -2a, right? -2a. So multiply, guys, whether it's satisfying around a cube plus 2a plus 2a square plus 2a. Then it should be minus beta here. It should be -2a. It should be -2a only. -2a is correct. So this is what I got now. So yeah, these are the roots I got after solving this cubic equation. So what I need to find out now? I need to find out the distance of their point of intersection from the origin. These two lines are perpendicular, then the distance of their point of intersection. Distance of their point of intersection from the origin. So what are the equations we get here? What are the equations? Look at this here. X minus 2y. Y minus 2y. Why? Because a value minus 1 we got, right? A value minus 1 we got. So substitute that x plus minus 1 into y is equal to 1. So x minus 2y is equal to 1. This is the one equation I got. Now x is a is equal to minus 1. Again I'm substituting here. So 2 times of x plus y is equal to 1. This is another equation I get. Right? Solving these two, what are you going to get, beta? Solving these two. So first of all, what I do is I'll multiply the 2x with 2. This is the first equation. Let us consider second equation. So 2x minus 4y is equal to 2. Okay, minus plus minus, subtracting. So 5y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 by 5. Then what is x value? What is x value? X value is 3 by 5 directly. All right, substitute in one of the equation, you will get this. So this is my point of intersection. Correct? So distance from the origin is what now? Distance from the origin we need. Guys, what I need here, what I did for finding a value, I did all this beta. Okay, I got a value as 1 here. A value as minus 1. Need not to do this actually. We don't even have a use of that. Okay, I just found a value minus 1. Look at it. I just substituted here and here. I got two equations. They are this one and this one. Where is it? This one. I'm just solving them. I just got this x comma y as 3 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5. So distance of this point from the origin is what? Distance of this point from the origin. So origin is nothing but what? Origin is nothing but 0 comma 0. So this is a point called x comma y is equal to this 2, right? So x2 minus x1 whole square. So it's nothing but 3 by 5 whole square plus minus 1 by 5 whole square. Okay. So 9 by 25 plus 1 by 25. So 10 by 25. So root 10 by 5. Root 10 by 5. Or else simply why 5 is right. So 2 by root 2 by 5. Root 2 by 5 is our option available? Yes. Option A is correct, beta. This is how you solve this type of questions. Any doubts here? Any doubt, guys? Children, any doubts? I have just shown you how the cubic equation can be solved. By using synthetic method, this is how we solve. What I did, I just used trial and error method. First, I just got one factor, which is a is equal to minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1. And how I got these numbers here, I wrote all the coefficients of the given cubic equation. I carried this one as it is. I just carried one as it is here. So 1 here I wrote. So 1 into 1 how much? So minus 1 into 1 how much? Minus 1. I wrote that minus 1 here. Added these two. I got minus 2. Again, I multiplied with minus 1 into minus 2. I wrote here. So minus 1 into minus 2, 2. Right? I added these two again. I got 2. Again, minus 1 into 2 how much? Minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2. Added these two, 0 I got. So from this, I wrote a quadratic equation by using this, and this. I wrote a quadratic equation. So that is how I just got the roots of the cubic equation. From that I got to know a value, substituted, point of intersection I found, and I got point P, and origin E is asking us to take. We know the origin as well. Origin is nothing but 0 comma 0, and point we know. We need to find out distance of the point from the origin, point of intersection. Distance of the point is nothing but what? Distance of the point from the origin is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That's it. That is what I got. So everyone solve this question. Yes, children, please do solve this question. I think your physics sir is like waiting for us. So I'm going to wind up the class here itself. Actually, your physics sir is waiting. Actually, you have a class for physics right now. Please, you may leave now. Please do solve the question and solve the remaining questions, guys. Thank you.